Hello everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to use the BA2 Plus financial calculator to calculate the number of days between two dates. This function is extremely useful for accounting, finance, banking, loans, and investments. Let's get started. Suppose we want to know how many days are there between January 15, 2026 and September 30, 2026. The BA2 Plus calculator can do it in just a few seconds. First, access the date function on the calculator. Press second, then 1. Above the 1 key you'll see date. DT1 stands for date number 1. Now enter the first date. The BA2 Plus uses the format month, day, year. Always type the month number without a leading zero. Press 1.1526. Press enter. Scroll down by pressing down arrow key. Enter second date in DT2. Press 9.3026. Press enter. Scroll down. Press compute button. Days between dates. We got the answer. There are 258 days between the 15th of January 2026 and the 30th of September 2026. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.